Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I am going to show you auto insurance. So let's get started. So now here we are in autoinsurance.com, and this is their website right here. And from here, you can see that they have a number right here on the top right. So this is what you would need to call in order for you to speak to their live agent, and from there you can discuss their insurance plans and which one is the best for you, and they would also give you instructions on how you can proceed to get their insurance plans, on how you can pay, how you can send your information, and so on. So you would need to call this one right here right now, or you can chat with them. And then from here, as you can see, you can choose what kind of insurance that you would want. You can go for auto, you can go for pet, you can go for home, and for life. And basically, when you are speaking with their live agent, you would be able to get a personalized quote. After submitting your information, you will receive that personalized quote. And then after that, you get to compare the quotes. So auto will show you quotes from various insurance providers. You can compare this to find the best coverage and price. And then after that is that you would now be able to customize your coverage. So if you're satisfied with a quote, you can customize your coverage to fit your needs. So you can just do that and tell it to the live agent. And then after that, you will now be able to purchase your policy. Once you've chosen the best option, you can now proceed to purchase it and ask the live agent and how you can proceed in purchasing it, how you can pay, how you can provide your information, and so on. So that is basically it on how you can get your auto insurance here in Auto. So thank you for watching.